Hello and welcome to the RocwooD YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a RocwooD pressure washer. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. This RocwooD pressure washer boasts 2,970 psi and includes high quality components which include an axle pump and a seriously powerful engine. It has an advanced 4-stroke OHV technology engine, providing the perfect blend of high power output, along with an easy start and high efficiency. This pressure washer will make light work of sizable jobs such as blasting glass, deck rejuvenation, and cleaning vehicles, boats, etc. It features an integrated tank, which allows you to add car detergent to suit the job in hand. It also includes 5 pro-tip nozzles to be able to handle any form of cleaning. It features oversized, never flat wheels, and a strong yet lightweight tubular frame. The compact upright design and removable top handle ensures both transport and storage are easy. If power and reliability is what you're looking for, then look no further. It's one of the best value for money pressure washers on the market. Here's everything included in the pressure washer, such as the spray gun holders, a rubber foot, a funnel, the handle, the pressure washer base of course, axles, 10-meter hose and the wheels, along with the spray gun and lance. To assemble the pressure washer, we have to put the wheels on first, put the axle through the wheel hole, then push the axle onto the pressure washer base. There's this extra clip also provided that locks the wheel into place. It also features a commercial grade camshaft and crankshaft, and also features a commercial grade dry bass cylinder axle pump with a thermal release valve. We also need to put the rubber foot on. It also provided a screw with it so it stays on nice and tight. You may need a spanner for this. Next, attach the handle onto the pressure washer. It has clips onto the side so it'll be able to lock into place. Next we have the top pressure washer holder onto the back of the pressure washer. It has little studs on it so they'll be able to be locked right in. This will be yanked out with a screwdriver. The bottom holder features a screw and nut. These can be screwed on with a screwdriver. You can also control the choke on it, along with control the run. It features a switch to turn it on, and along with it also is a recoil engine. The fuel tank cap is right beside the recoil. Next we have to screw the lance together. Put the lance into the spray gun. Please keep in mind these are often very tight, so please take your time when screwing them together as they are quite hard. We also have to screw in the 10-meter hose onto the pressure washer as well. The 10-meter hose also attaches back here. It connects by twisting on and also has a protective cover on it so no water leaks out. It also comes with an additional attachment to be able to connect it to a water pipe. Your guiding hose also works to be able to connect it to as well. The lance and hose sit on the left side of the pressure washer. There's also a special place to put the 10-meter cable. It hooks onto the side and also locks on, so it doesn't fall off in storage. In addition, it also comes with a funnel to help you get some soap into the detergent tank. As you can see, it just connects on nice and easy, and you can just put it in. The pressure washer also comes with 5 quick connect nozzles, each with a specialised function. The 0% high pressure, which is red. The water stream's discharge is very aggressive, used with extreme caution to prevent damage on the surface being cleaned or injury to people and animals. 15%, which is high pressure, which is yellow. This is the nozzle used for most cleaning applications. It provides wide, narrow, and a powerful water stream. 25 degrees is high pressure green. This nozzle is used for cleaning with medium coverage with a powerful water stream. 40 degrees, which is high pressure, which is white. This nozzle is used for cleaning with wide coverage over a large area with a powerful water stream. And finally we have the black one, which is the detergent nozzle. It's used when you want to apply detergent to what you're cleaning. Here's how you connect the nozzles to the pressure washer. You just push the head down on the lance, put the nozzle in, and then let go. Here are the specifications for the pressure washer. The SKU is RS680. The continuous rated pressure is 2700 psi or 196 bar. The maximum pressure is 2970 psi or 205 bar. The horsepower is 4.7 HP. The engine type is a 4-stroke engine. Engine displacement is 173cc, air-cooled 4-stroke. The maximum flow rate is 9.1 litres per minute. The starting system is a recoil start. The power source is petrol. Tank capacity is 1.2 litres. It also features 5 quick connector jets, and its warranty is a 12-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will invalidate this warranty. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.